We're going for a wander to visit the Kraken. Lots of fun stuff sitting around here. Cute little Nash. Here's a square body tow truck and a Mustang. Early 70s. I'll do my best to make the microphone not crackle while I'm back here. If you are a car guy, this is one of the funnest places ever. Oh, I see a C50 back there. A row of old buses. Oh, and look at that. An entire row of Volkswagen vans. Now White seems to think we should make a barbecue out of that. We have a row of Firebirds. All 80s, 90s. When they start stacking them like that, that means that they're no longer of use. Time to squash them. Oh, check out the wagon. Well, I'll be. I've been looking for that van for a while, so I can cut that up. Oh, a little Supra. Camaro. The further back you go, the older they get. I see a lot of wood paneling. Oh, look at that little Toyota. Somebody should fix that up. Now I gotta figure out how to get in here. Here's a T-Bird. And a little Chevy Sprint. Yeah, this is a challenge. Look at that. So rotten. Needs a good home, that thing. It's been here a long time. Ooh, and it's an Acadian. Has the Acadian front end. I'm guessing a 307 or 327, 350. Can't quite tell. Oh, another Toyota. Boy, it's getting tough to get in here. I'm trying to get to the Kraken. Oh boy, I see it. There it is. Here's my car. Look at that. The front bumper is straight. I can't believe that. How's the grill? Driver's side grill has a few little tweaks. That fender's rotten. Still has the flathead in it, which will be going. Oh, you get to see inside it today. The rear bench seat is still there. Ooh, looks like it had a lot of speakers in the back. All the dash, everything's there. Oh, it's got the mirror. Oh, I wasn't sure if it had that mirror. It had captain's chairs. It spun out. So it needs rockers. Wow. It's all there. Unbelievable. The quarter panels are just rust free. Yeah, I can't believe that. All the moldings are here. That's just amazing. I'm so excited. I have some quarter panel repair to do, and on the inside I see some rust, and I don't care. It's got the awesome tail lights. replacing the bumper. There it is. The Kraken. That door probably hasn't been opened in 40 years. Don't worry, I'll get it open. That fender. So definitely need a set of front fenders. And the roof's caved in from the drive shafts. But I'm fine with that. Sorry, I couldn't use my gimbal today. There is no service out here, so my app for my gimbal doesn't work. But there it is, the Kraken. There's just so much fun stuff here, it's unbelievable. A Plymouth. A Wildcat. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. Well, we gotta go to the other section. These cars have been here so long, it's crazy. English looking cars. Here's an exciting section. I have been searching for one of these for a while. Look at that, it's a 6500, not a C50. Oh, it's got air horns on it. Yeah, I wonder if I can talk him into this one. Look at them all. Oh, I like that one. Clean. Beastly. Look at that, a command unit. Not sure what for, but it says command unit. Oh, Forest Service. Interesting. Well, today just got a lot more exciting. Not only did I get to see the Kraken with the snow melted, we're going for a walk to see my next acquisition. I didn't realize there's 3 Chevy short box 4x4s here that I happen to have cornered. There is so much stuff here, it is unbelievable. And I have the biggest dog stalking me. Great big massive German Shepherd, making me a little nervous. Oh, look at that square body Suburban, 2-wheel drive. Ooh. Just endless. This is not a normal wrecking yard. This is out in the forest, and they just keep shoving them in every corner they can. Look at that. A dually. Sorry for the shakiness on my camera. Doing my best without my gimbal. I think you can see where we're headed. I have been searching years to get my hands on a panel truck and a Suburban 47 to 54, and I have not found one. Crossing a creek right now. Ooh, is it slippery? There you go. That is now mine. Oh my goodness, I didn't even realize it's a 54. Wow. Score! I got a panel truck. Yay! Yay me! Thanks for that one, Finnegan. It's your expression. I'm using it today. Look at that. It's not all rotted. Just little rust holes. It's not all damaged. It is full of parts. Wow. It says wow.